I'm about to show you how to find winning products for your dropshipping store that are making hundreds of thousands of dollars right now. Better yet, I'll show you how to find them in under 5 minutes using a powerful product research method that I use on every single store I make. I've used this method to find winning products in my own stores that have made $2,000, $5,000, even $10,000 a day or more, all because it shows you what's currently working for other sellers. My name's Alex if you're new, and when you're ready, let's get right into it. So I'm gonna start by finding a viral dropshipping product on TikTok, something with a lot of engagement and traction, comments, shares, everything. I'm gonna scroll my For You page, check out different hashtags, and I'll get back to you guys in just a moment when I find a viral product. So I just came across this product right here, and it's perfect now that we're in back to school season. And this is the Clutch Calc. So it's a calculator with a bunch of hidden menus in it. You can download screenshots, you can upload your homework answers, you can watch Netflix. It's basically like having a smartphone designed as a calculator. And there's a reason that many students would want to buy this product. We can see that every video around this product has hundreds of thousands of views, thousands of likes, thousands of comments and shares. Let's go ahead and take a look at this product and see how well it's performing right now. Let's jump into my laptop. So we'll move over to Zik Analytics. Zik is an advanced product research tool. Basically, it allows you to track the top performing Shopify stores as well as their products to see how much they're actually making every single month. So you can find some winning products that are making $2,000 or $3,000 a month, while others are making $200,000 or $300,000 a month. So we'll start by going on the Product Explorer tool right here. And right here where it says keywords, I'm gonna type in calculator, since that's the keyword related to our product. We'll go ahead and search and we'll see what we can come up with. So you can see a couple different calculator listings, but here's the exact product that we're looking for, the Smart Calculator right here. So we can see that it was actually uploaded last summer. They're selling it for a little over $100. They have over 100 sales over the last 7 days and over 400 over the last 30 for over $80,000 in revenue. We can analyze the store further by clicking this icon right here. And right here we have the store WowCalc. They're a one product store with over 430 sales over the last 30 days. Let's take a look at their sales chart and we can see that for the most part, these sales are pretty consistent. They have a couple of days where their sales die down a little bit. Maybe they're refreshing their ads. You never know what's going on. But these sales are not bad for this product right here. So that's how easy it is to find a viral product on TikTok and then determine if it's actually worth selling on Zik. But we can take it a step further and just look up winning products by the amount of revenue they're making. So over here on the left-hand side, let's go back to the Product Explorer tool, and you can see all of this search criteria right here that we have to choose from. We can select the product type, what kind of ads they have running, the minimum and maximum amount of sales, revenue, and so on. So this time, let's look up winning products that are making a minimum of $100,000 a month. It's the only thing we'll type in there. We'll go ahead and click search. So based on that search right there, all of these winning products are making at least $100,000 a month. Most of these are making significantly more. Like this one's making $106,000. This one's making $2.6 million a month. This one's doing $300,000, $300,000, $200,000. So if you come across one that you're actually interested in, you can go ahead and analyze it further with this icon. So for example, right here, we have the brand Shoulder Reliever, shoulderreliever.com. They're active on Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram, and they're running all of their ads right now on Facebook. They're a one product store with over 1,600 sales and over $322,000 in revenue over the last 30 days. So this is definitely a product you guys could sell yourself. We'll go back to the search results and we'll keep scrolling through here. Here's another product that we recently talked about on this channel, this 4K action camera right here. You can see it's doing $102,000 a month. Let's take a look at this store. So right here we have SnapCam, two product store, over 1,000 sales over the last 30 days and $109,000 in revenue. Although we scroll down, they only have one product down here. So they might have a gift card or some sort of an upsell. But either way, $100,000 a month with this little camera is really good. This is definitely something you could sell yourself. And if you want to source a supplier for this product, you can start by finding an AliExpress supplier by clicking on this little icon. It's going to use AI to scan AliExpress to find the top suppliers for you. So you can see the recommended price to sell it for, the AliExpress price, as well as the fee, and your profit margin and the ROI for each sale. So you can compare all of these and open them up in different tabs to reach out to each one of these suppliers. But right away, we can see that we have dozens of really good suppliers to choose from. So go back to our list one more time and you can see all of these different winning products that we can analyze. We have this dog seat protector that we've talked about many different times, this hair remover tool. Then you even have digital products like this barber skills bundle. There's so many different products you can take a look at. If we go back to the Market Insights dashboard, you can actually just scroll through an entire list of winning Shopify stores and winning products right here. It's just gonna show you the top performing stores and the top performing products over the last 30 days. And both of these lists update every single day. And we can see all of these stores over here have a little icon next to them. It's gonna tell you what kind of store it actually is. So these are one product stores. These are print on demand stores. These are dropshipping stores. So let's say you guys wanted to analyze this print on demand store right here that's doing $164,000 a month. Let's click on it. And that would be My Soul and Spirit. So let's see what kind of products these people actually sell. They're all print on demand graphic t-shirts, all with a very specific audience. That's why it's performing so well for them. You guys can find so many different products to sell on here, whether it's print on demand, you can make a one product store, a niche store, a general store to test as many products as you want to. But this is by far the best way to see what's working right now. I'll go ahead and leave a link for Zik down below in case you guys are interested. You can actually get started for just $1 right now, so I highly recommend you take advantage of that. I've been using this tool every single day to find some of my best performing products, and that's after I found out about it a little over a year ago. So if you guys want to stay miles ahead of your competition and find six-figure a month products just like we took a look at, I highly recommend you check out Zik. And the last thing I will talk about is that you can actually paste Shopify store URLs right up here at the top and go ahead and search up stores on your own. So if there's a store and you want to track its sales and it's not currently being tracked on Zik, you can paste it in there and it'll start tracking it for you from that point on. This is by far one of the most powerful tools I've ever used. And I've even plugged some of my own stores in here to see if it's accurate, and it's 100% accurate, like down to the last sale. So after you guys find a winning product and supplier for that product, you need to know how to actually advertise that product to start making sales. And that's where Zik comes in again. So we'll go back to the sales tracker here on Zik for the shoulder reliever. And like we talked about earlier, this brand is running all of their ads right now on Facebook. So we can click on this little meta icon right here, and it's gonna bring you to the Facebook ads library for this exact brand. So you can see all of their active ads right now that are being used to promote this shoulder reliever. They're using a lot of image ads, video ads, UGC, testimonials. You can see the exact content that's being used to promote the brand. And you can get some really good ideas for your own ads when you go to make them. You can take some of their ad copy and rewrite it in your own words. You can use their images for inspiration and then plug them into AI tools and recreate them yourself. But there's so much you can learn by taking a look at other brands' active ads right now. Like all of these ads right here started running over a month ago. These ones right here, 2 months ago. These ones right here started running at the beginning of this year, and they're all active right now. So this is exactly where I would go when I need inspiration to create my own advertisements. And the more video and image ads you create to test, the better chances you'll have. So make sure you're testing as much as possible. That's the only method you need if you want to find six-figure a month products to sell in your own Shopify store. I've used this method time and time again to find some of my best performing products. So in case you're interested, I'll leave a link for Zik down below. I also have a ton of other helpful resources down there, like my free course to help you get started. So don't miss out on any of those. If you found any value in this video, consider leaving a like, sharing it with others, and subscribing for more. And that's all I've got for you today. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.